Okay, that's enough.
Some things never change. There it is. I just love conquering so much that I was like,
I want it in my house.
dude, what the fuck is this? This is ridiculous. What is up, guys, and happy Thanksgiving, or I should probably say happy Black Friday, because this video is going up the day after Thanksgiving. We just landed from Japan last night, back home already, and about to take the giveaway 34 for a rip over to Tampa. It's about a 2-hour drive. And not only do I want to give my mom a ride on this car, I want her to drive it. The last JDM thing she drove, I think, was my S13 back when it had like a stock SR. She's never driven right-hand drive before, and I think she's gonna have a good time in this. And it gives me a good excuse to bring this thing over so we could have some fun. Say this in response to the people that I see sometimes leaving comments. Stop beating on my car. Stop putting miles on my car. We got a badass team, and I think we build probably some of the best street and drift cars. However, as with anything heavily modified, there is a period where you find things, whether it's tune related, mechanical, any new build takes some time to dial in, so I like to put as much miles on the cars as I can. Make sure they can live through a handful of pulls and burnouts. So when you win, you get a dialed machine. Life's too short to be pussyfooting around, you know? I just realized this car actually has old logo pedals on it. I never noticed that. Like $1,000 pedals. They came with the car.
You down for the count?
Welcome, Mom.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
Your very first Skyline experience. Are you excited?
You got long. Ooh, will the seat go forward?
Yeah. Here, pull.
Okay.
My mom's been a very big Fast and Furious fan, so this is a huge moment for her.
All right. The pedals are gas, brake, clutch, right?
This is your first right-hand drive car?
Yes, I've never driven one. All the cars you've had, I've never driven one. Okay.
Can you push the clutch down all the way? Happy Thanksgiving.
Oh, happy Thanksgiving.
Is this stressful for you, or will this be fun, you think?
This is weird. Okay.
So the gears are the opposite now. So first is here, second is diagonal. So like here, it's like first, second, third, fourth.
Why do they cross like that?
I'm just kidding, it's normal. Now before we go on our drive, I just want to remind you guys, today is technically Black Friday. I know you're probably sick of getting advertised to. LZMFG, my clothing brand, we've got a bunch of deals going on. Most notably, the 3 mystery tee bundle for 60 bucks. Youth sizes, a bunch of new products. Check it out on LZMFG. Drift HQ, we've got a bunch of sales too. And if you got questions, you can reach out to our sales team and they'll hit you back with some answers and an updated quote. And every $5 you spend gets you entered for a chance to win this car and $15,000 cash. So sorry, Mom, if you like it, you can't have it. The clutch is up towards the top and very, very easy and forgiving.
But it's not moving.
Yeah, it's really close to the top. It's okay. Beautiful. Like I said, just read the right side of the road and then you won't accidentally go in the middle.
Am I in second?
Let's see. Nope, that's fourth. It's weird right-hand drive. You kind of got to like bring it over when you go. Beautiful. So when you go to second, just pull it back and diagonal. Beautiful.
Third?
Yep. Remember I said how people have a tendency to run in the middle of the road?
Sorry. Oops.
That's the windshield wipers. That's another common thing that people do. It's the other one. You got this. Looking good.
Oh, I'm in third. I should go into
No, you're fine.
second. It's quieter than my car.
Yeah, your car's kind of loud, huh?
Yeah.
How's your car been?
It's been pretty good.
You're driving a lot?
I've had a couple of... Oh, those brakes sound terrible.
Yeah, I got some aggressive pads on them.
A couple of people pull up next to me and say, cool car.
Shift at a little bit higher RPM.
Oh.
That's okay. You can do it for the next gear. Higher. I know you said you missed your turbo. Does this remind you of yours?
A little bit. It's quieter.
You're honestly doing great for your first time driving right-hand drive. I thought you'd be like a nervous mess.
I am about this clutch though.
So shift at a little bit higher RPM. So you can hear the turbo make cool noises.
Oh, okay. The cool whoosh noise that I miss off my car. I was trying to get in second and I'm not.
What are you in?
Nowhere.
Nowhere? Oh, you're neutral. Let's find somewhere we can pull off so we can swap a route.
Oh, you mean so you can scare the hell out of me?
I don't. This car's not as fast as the other cars. Like not even remote.
I just passed my road.
So I'm not gonna make you go fast, but downshift to third. Now floor it. It won't go fast, I promise. And then a little longer, a little longer. any car of mine to own, what car would it be?
One that doesn't squeal.
Hey, be nice.
I don't know. They're all right-hand drives. I'm not used to right-hand
Not
drive.
all of them.
You mean you have some normal ones?
See, what if the answer was that I was going to give you whatever car you picked, and you just said, I don't know.
Aw, man.
Yeah, I know.
You know which one
Just
I like?
pick one. What, the Porsche?
Oh, God, I'd be scared to death to drive
Really?
in a Porsche.
It's like the easiest car to drive. You always like the Mustang.
I know. I was going to say the Mustang. Is this in neutral?
Let your foot off the clutch and we'll find out.
Well, no, I don't want to stall it again.
Yep.
Okay.
You got it.
That's really weird, driving a right-hand car. That is weird.
No, you did great.
It's not bad. It's just, I don't want to hurt your car, which isn't going to be your car soon.
Yeah, I know.
That's what's making me nervous.
I have to give you a pull on it.
Corner up here.
Am I going to go faster?
No. Okay, that's it. Adam, enough. Okay, that's it. We're going home.
We didn't even get to go fast. We were just spinning the tires.
No. No, that was good. We can go home now. There's a corner here. Don't do it. Don't do it.
I just want to make the noise. Some things never change.
No, they don't. Stop! Adam, damn it! No! Get me out! Let me out of the car!
What's weird though is like I've taken you in fast cars before and you've like not really reacted. What is the thing that elicits the reaction?
I think it's like people who pull out, don't pay attention, and it just scares the hell out of me.
So it's more like conditional. So if we were on a racetrack, you'd be less scared.
Yes.
Got it.
Take a right by the bench. Take me home.
No more? We're done already?
No, we're done. I don't like. I'm sorry.
All right, it's Thanksgiving, so I can't be too mean.
No, when you took me on the track, it scared the hell out of me, but it was more of a controlled area.
Yeah.
Here, you don't know where anybody is.
Yeah. You never know. They might just come pop up out of the sewer. All right, we've transitioned from filming with my mom on Thanksgiving to my second dad, who's here the day after Thanksgiving.
I think I'm your much older brother.
That is
I'm
fair.
only 15 years older. I would have had to have you real young.
I think you're like an uncle.
There you go.
Yeah, well, at
really
least
cool uncle.
Not in terms of age, but in terms of like our relationship. It's definitely
Yeah.
like you're like the crazy uncle.
I'm like the successful, good-looking, not that much older than you uncle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, you know. So I have not seen the house since you guys have gotten started. I
wild.
haven't even seen the videos. We've been in Japan, and I've been waiting for a marathon to watch it through. And it's funny because like on Thanksgiving, talking with my family, they've all been watching them like it's like a what's the TV show, the home renovation makeovers?
HGTV, yeah, like Extreme Makeover Home Edition.
They've been loving it.
Oh, they should. It's freaking awesome.
I saw the thumbnail about the toilet, and I've gotten lots of DMs about my poop. So
Juice sliding down the leg.
I'm excited to watch that one. For starters, you haven't been here in a minute. What do you think about all my new concrete additions?
Looks great. We did a whole, when I took over the channel, we did a whole synopsis. We tested the drainage capabilities.
Oh yeah, and you drifted. I forgot about that.
Well, I did some circles.
It was very, very, like for people's first time drifting, it was very controlled. Like usually people spin out and don't have throttle control. I think we're on to something with you. Just to bring you guys up to speed in case you haven't caught in other videos, Matt Obsessed Garage is his company, and he's expanding from the garage realm to pretty much everything because his obsession doesn't stop with the garage or detailing cars. And this house is kind of I don't want to say the first project because you've done your own house, but like my garage that we did at my other house was kind of like
that kind of launched my whole design business, and so I'm like, well, why we should start with this. I won't say crap house and make it great.
Yeah.
So
here we
we're
are.
gonna do it again. Who knows? Next thing you know, I'll be building houses. I don't know.
Matt is also now a permanent resident of the compound. He has a $7 million motorhome that is parked outside of the house that he's living in.
We'll give you a tour.
Yeah,
for sure.
I'm pretty excited for that. It's not actually $7 million, is it?
No, it's like $1.5 million. I think is what they were new.
Just $1.5 million.
It only sells for, it's for sale right now, $600K.
How the heck did you guys get all this stuff up yet?
4 foot, your 4 foot. They just did this morning. Like this wasn't, none of this stuff was here this morning. And so they brought all the tile from your garage. It's been staged. I mean, I've been working on this for 7 months since we first sat down. And so getting everything lined up, This job should take 8 or 9 months. We're gonna do it in like 40 days, 45 days, something like that.
I can't believe how fast you guys knocked out the demo. What's up, man?
Hey man,
Good to see you.
how you doing?
Looks like you guys have been having some fun.
Yeah, we have been making a mess.
Wow.
Now it's not so much a mess now.
I haven't even been inside yet.
You really?
No,
I thought for sure you were gonna be able to hold it together.
No.
You have to come look.
I've purposely not watched the videos too. Both
Really?
Yeah, both because
Yeah.
I haven't had time and I wanted to get like my first reaction
Yeah.
to seeing everything in person.
Yeah, I'm curious what you're gonna think. So here it is.
It does feel way bigger.
Right?
It's like, yeah, massive.
It's night and day.
Were you saying before that like entertainment system came out this far?
Yeah, it did. It came out to like right here.
About the ladder is.
Yeah, don't put that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was gonna say, should I just stop filming this?
I feel like Matt would put it in his video, but maybe we shouldn't put it in mine. So
Yeah.
what we were just talking about, Mike, make sure to cut that out, okay?
So this wall is coming down. We have to take all the drywall out because this entire wall is gonna be tile. Floor to ceiling? Floor to ceiling tiles. You need
I
to
thought it was
see.
just inside.
Nope.
Wow.
All the
So
way
why do
over there.
you pull the drywall out then?
Because we need to run a bunch of wires for all the
Two
TVs.
reasons and they have to put hardy board on there because the tile won't. It's too heavy for just drywall.
So it's like a cement board that they have to put on.
You have like 1,500 pounds of tile.
None of this was here 2 hours ago. The tile guys are wizards. They're in and out. Boom.
What is this?
This is like a permanent.
Crack, it's a crack perimeter, basically.
So then the kitchen's out completely.
This feels crazy.
You know what I'm excited to see is we're switching fridge freezer. So it's going to be the way it's supposed to be, which is fridge on the right, freezer on the left. You've gotten used to the opposite. And so you're going to be walking in the freezer, like, dang it. So every
Real
day-
excited about that.
He's gonna be freezing his Danimals by accident.
The trick's on him because we don't ever buy food, so we probably won't use the fridge much.
You're gonna have some frozen Lunchables for a couple weeks.
So all this, you know, we'll have different lighting here. The lighting is going to be the biggest transformation
Yeah.
in this whole place. And so the kitchen, remember your thing was like this tall, blocked the whole darn room. So now the cabinets are going to come out and square off.
It's interesting too. It almost feels bigger already. The lighting almost feels better. I think because that like cabinet array, I feel like sucked out some of the light. It was blocking some.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so imagine you're going to have 2 more, 1 more, 2 more, 1 more, and then 4 lights here.
Yeah.
So, and they'll all be proper color panel. 4 proper or 6 proper lights in here. And then the chandeliers are going to be open, so they'll be taking care of all of this area as well.
This wall got knocked out. Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Yep.
So that's my bathroom.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then this is where the
This is
wow,
the
the
new-
bathroom looks so small.
This is the new wall.
Yeah.
That's crazy that they crammed so much stuff in the bathroom.
Well, remember, the whole wall was way out here too. It was
No, I know.
It was bitsy.
Right,
So-
and the ceiling was down to here.
So we're sucking it into here.
Yeah, so we're going that way. It's actually going 6 inches more than that. And so then a new wall, because you guys don't cook or eat anything ever. So your pantry would even need to be as big.
Yeah.
So we're
Still a big
pushing into the pantry. You'll have double sinks here, double vanities, some storage up the middle.
Is this shower gonna have a taller ceiling now?
Yeah,
This
so this
thing.
will all be
We'll
one
make
height.
it the same height as the rest.
So
So
this
Yeah.
ceiling here is
Very
coming
nice.
out, and the ceiling right, to here will go up.
Same
so
height
it'll all
as
be
that.
one height.
I love tall ceilings.
Yeah.
Mhm.
That's
And
what
then
part of the
obviously
reason it looks so small is because you got into this little dungeon of a shower that had a ceiling height that was like this tall.
Yeah, it was very
It was
claustrophobic.
weird.
Yeah.
And if you guys haven't seen the video, you'll want to check out all the mold that was in there. You know, I knew
I
that,
cut some of that mold out.
that happened.
You did?
Yeah, because there's a leak behind the wall, and I literally told the plumber, I'm like, isn't it a problem that all that water's been leaking behind the wall? Nah, it'll be fine.
Oh, it was leaking at the shower head.
Correct.
It was leaking at the mixing valve. The whole bench array was all leaking.
I knew the shower head was.
Yeah.
That was the only one that I knew about because
Yeah.
like that was a new thing that we had them come and fix.
Yeah.
And I was like, the water's got to go somewhere. And
It
well,
was.
It was like it'll drain. I was like,
We got it all
underneath.
cleaned.
It was underneath the cabinets.
It was everywhere. Yeah, it was everywhere.
this the fact that we're doing this is amazing. I feel like I haven't properly unpacked in video, but I don't think I would ever be able to figure out that like not knowing anything about this whole process, the amount of time and energy and decisions that it takes. You've made it so easy.
Well, I've done it several times, and then Mike, knows how to do all the trades, and so we're able to do it a lot faster. And then we found some great partners. Eastside Kitchens and Maths is doing all the cabinetry, Britannia Flooring is doing all the flooring, and then Mazer Painting is coming to do all the painting stuff for us. So those are 3 big things.
And Laurel
So-
helping with all the design stuff.
Yeah, because we wouldn't be able to pick. I mean, you or me or any of us be able to pick out all the different, how everything works together in tile and stuff.
I don't know what's gonna look right. I don't know how stuff works.
Right, so it's gonna, wait till you guys see this, it's gonna be amazing. So then the master's here, so remember you had the big giant
Oh yeah, I forgot the closet.
thing, oh, the cot's gonna be sick. I gotta pick your brain on, this is my RV hookup right here.
We hot wire them in.
Oh, we don't call it an RV, it's called a coach.
So this is a big closet.
Yeah.
Can we pull out the frame?
That's what I'm, yeah.
Okay, so it's not load bearing.
No, well, it is, but I'm gonna put a beam in
Ah.
where the wall is now. And that door opening is going away, so the beam will go right across to where that door is. There'll be a post in the walls and it'll support everything.
So I take that where the closet's gonna be, so the closet's gonna go here, here, little shoe area there, in that corner, and that door is coming out, this whole wall's coming out, and then I'm making a little L shape down the middle, and so it'll be back to back. So basically, you'll probably have your side one side, flat side the other side, but we're probably more than like 3 times the size of storage space that you're gonna have.
Check out the tile. This is first look.
Ooh,
That's some big tile.
24 by
Cement.
48, yeah.
That's huge.
I love that.
It makes it really hard to do.
Ah, man, I just loved concrete so much that I was like,
I want it in my house.
I think we did actually talk about doing polished concrete. Why did we veer away from it?
Well, because there's cracks. And
Oh yeah, we don't know what it's gonna look like. It's like
Right.
it's a crapshoot.
Yeah. Unless you pour it specifically for polishing the concrete, then this is a much better way to do it.
All right, we're gonna do a deeper dive on Matt's channel, talking through more of the nuances, as he's already done kind of throughout the process. But I want to check out this $7 million motor coach.
You have to, I don't know if, come on. It smells like poop.
Look at that.
Fancy.
Holy moly!
God
There's a whole
damn.
catalog here, huh?
Yeah, that's the Matt Mormon OG Master Collection right there, Adam.
Plug.
You have to take your shoes off.
Do you?
Yeah.
That's funny. This thing is huge.
Yeah.
He's never heard that before.
I can already see
how
it
an old
in
man
here.
does it.
What year is this thing?
I think it's an 06.
Oh, so it's old. Oh my goodness. The wine bottles in the fridge.
Something.
Dude. What the f is this?
This is ridiculous.
This is my accommodations.
Are you expanded right now?
Yeah, it is. There's something.
This is ridiculous.
I've been gone for 2 days, and I came back and something smells funny.
It's probably our stray cats living in here.
Yeah.
Yep.
This is so extra.
The friggin' mirror on
Look
the
at this,
ceiling.
Full-size fridge.
I got all my supplements set up already. I got the fridge stocked.
AG1.
I got my fridge stocked. Got some Snake River Farm steaks. There was already a Bucky's cup. I promise that wasn't mine. It wasn't mine. That was already in there.
Big Bucky's guy.
Everything in here is a mirror.
Got the shower. Yeah, this is like 06.
I mean,
Miami cool.
for this being an 06, it still feels pretty modern and nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
So,
It's safe to say this is nicer than the compound house was.
oh gosh, yeah, way nicer.
Yeah.
Just a little, a little claustrophobic. This, I'm afraid of this thing. I'm afraid of getting whacked in the face with this. But
I've done that before.
yeah, so this is where I'm staying for the next 2 months of my life.
That
Well,
doesn't.
my family lives 2 hours away, and my business.
I wish
is
I
2
could
hours
say I feel
away.
bad for you, but this is really
It's
nice.
pretty sick. That's it for this video. It's a short one. We literally just got back from Japan. My actual dad is in town too, and he's probably gonna be coming by the compound this weekend. So if there's any stuff you want to see me film with him, let me know in the comment section below. Remember to get entered for a chance to win this thing. Time's running out. All the deals are happening right now. I'll put more links and information in the description, and I'll see you guys soon.
When you said, no, when you said,
Okay, that's it. And I'm sitting up. Okay, that's it. We're going home.
that you love me, that you
Some things never change.
when you said.